am going to give some important tips for people who are presenting. One such tip is when you are doing a presentation, the shortcut is F5 for running the presentation from the first slide. Okay, that is F5. If you press shift plus F5, automatically that presentation will start from the current slide. Okay, so now I am going to press this. It is starting from the current slide. I have pressed shift plus F. Okay, if I am going to press F5, function key 5, it will start from the first slide. So normally you can see there are some navigation buttons here. So it means it will go to the next slide, next slide, next slide. So here you can see the navigation buttons. So if I click back, it will go to the back slide. So you can see some pen tools are there. This is, you can see laser point is there. This is the laser point. Okay, you have laser point, you have pen, and that pen color also you can choose any color. Okay, you can choose blue color, green color, you can choose it. So let me move to the next slide. So let us see here highlighter. If I'm going to use highlighter, I can use highlighter, and the color of the highlighter can be also changed. Suppose if I want to erase, you click eraser tool, everything it will erase. You can see the erase all link notations. You can see I'm using an eraser tool. Let me use a highlighter tool once again. So you can see here, if I use erase all link on slide, it will remove everything. You can see the two options, eraser and erase all link on slide. So if I click this, everything it will erase. So other than that, we have some you can see here, these tools are also available. You can see here, and a zoom tool. Suppose if you want to zoom anything, you can zoom it, and you can also see, suppose you have created some notes and other things, it will be visible to you. So that is slide notes view. So you can see here, so you can move the slide using this. The notes, if you have written any notes, it will be visible to you here, slide notes view. So you can see display settings are there, swap presenter view and slideshow, duplicate slideshow, end slideshow. So you can see, if you want to keep all the writings, you can keep, otherwise you can click discard. Okay, I have discarded everything. Now once again I will teach you other detail. So if you right click here, you can see here, it will, if you click next, it will go to the next slide. If you click previous, it will go to the previous slide. Last viewed, it will go to the last viewed slide. See all slides, it will show all the slides in here. Okay, you can also zoom in. That is we have seen here, the same thing is available here. If you right click, the same options are available, which are available here. So you can see there is a screen option. It is a black screen and white screen. Okay, suppose you are going to ask some questions to the participants, you can click B. If I press B, or if I select black screen, okay, so the screen will become black. Now you can start asking the questions. So if you are using a LCD projector, and during the presentation in between, if you want to ask some questions to the participants, you can click B. If once again, if I click B, automatically the presentation will be visible to the audience. If I click W, it will show you a white screen. Suppose if you are using an LCD projector on a LCD board, you can write something on the board so that it will be visible. Okay, so if you once again press W, it will go to the normal one. Okay, W for white slide and W for normal one. Okay, it can navigate between two of this. If I want to move to a particular slide, let us see how we can do it. See, each slide has a number. So I am going to press shift F5. Okay, now we are in slide number 5. So I'm going to slide number 10. It has gone to slide number 10. If I want to go to slide number 15, type 15 and press enter. We'll go to slide number 15. Suppose if I want to go to slide number 3, press 3 and enter. Automatically it will go to slide number 3. Suppose I want to move to slide number 99. 9 enter. So it will go to the slide number 99. Easily you can navigate between the slides. If you know correctly which number slide you want to do the presentation. Suppose if I want to move to 45, click 45 and enter. So these are the tips for the presenters. Hope it is useful. For more videos like this, subscribe our channel EduCrawl. You can forward this video to all your friends and relatives. During this COVID period, these types of videos will be very useful to them. Please share. Thank you.